Well, hello from St. Augustine. No, we are really excited. We love this city. Love it. You're not talking much.
Because you're saying it. It's true though. We like coming here. We have to do the ghost tour though.
Yeah.
So that's one thing.
Yeah.
But we are here. If you're new, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for checking us out.
Yeah, for sure. We are over here at the old town. We're going to see the old jail. We're going to see the general store and the St. Augustine Museum.
Yes.
We're really excited. Really excited. They got people dressed up in period clothing, which is so cool.
It's really cool. They even have that like accent, like the Texan accent.
Yeah. It's super cool.
Howdy, y'all.
We are not doing the trolley, if you just heard that. We
you don't
opted
have to do that
right.
either. So we're going to get tickets. We'll tell you how much they cost. We'll ask if they have military. We don't know yet.
Yeah, we don't know anything. We don't know anything. We're really excited. We did bring our K2 just in case we might get a hit or two while we're in the jail, because the jail is supposedly haunted.
And if you like adventures, please hit that subscribe button.
Yes.
Share with your family and friends.
Hit that bell notification so you get notified. We are trying to get back on schedule of posting every Tuesday and Thursday. We've been slacking. We're sorry.
Please help us get monetized by the end of the year.
Yeah.
That's our biggest goal that we're trying to get to. So please help us by doing that, by subscribing and having all your other friends and family check us out and have them subscribe as well.
Right, and if you're in the area, definitely stop by and see St. Augustine.
Yeah,
it is the
excited.
oldest town in the nation.
Yes. We're going to learn more about it.
Enjoy the video, guys.
What do you think so far?
This is actually pretty cool. It's
cool.
not gimmicky. It's actually pretty awesome.
It's like 50-ish bucks for both of us, and we did the museum, which is this, the old jail cell, and the old store.
Yes. And
then,
now we're looking at Ponce de Leon.
And then you can get military discount only on Veterans Day. So
Or
you
if
come
you're
here.
active duty.
Yes.
But she missed it. I mispronounced Ponce de Leon.
Promise of danger. Reef the sails! This is not a good sign. The final enemy that approaches this time is a dreaded hurricane. There is no turning back. The seas are calm and clear.
It's silver.
This is
Yeah, try and take it.
Raging storm, the seaworthiness of the ship matches the strength of the sailors.
You lift it.
They sat on top of the rock and they caught the juice and then they had it to drink or use in cooking or whatever they provide to do it. This is an old butter churn that's come out in the early 1900s, more at the 1800s. And you took the cream in here from cows, you know, and you churned it until the cream became butter. And the butter and the cream were separate again. And you have to sour milk or butter, but the most kind of cheese out, both of us left, and you cut that butter out and you put it in water. And then you have red butter.
Whoa, Brian.
So we did it again.
It was too noisy out there, so
Yeah.
it's easier here in the car.
Yeah. You know, when you come to places like this, sometimes you think it's going to be really gimmicky, really like over the top.
Or it's a lot of reading and
Yeah.
just walk through.
This was amazing. They really outdid themselves here.
it's a cool experience. Like if you think it was like a gimmicky one-stop thing, we spent 2 hours here.
Yeah. Now the tours are about 40 minutes long each, but it was really cool.
And then of course because of COVID, like you have to wait a certain capacity. So like we were waiting for 1:15, but then we had to wait till 1:30. So you may be waiting in the heat a little bit because it is outside a lot.
Yeah, there's no shade whatsoever. Yeah. But honestly, I mean, if you have kids, have your kids wait in line and then you go out and get in the shade.
Or you go to the store. Because they have a little general store here.
So the museum, the St. Augustine Museum, if you purchase anything, it's free. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's self-guided basically. Yeah, that's all you're doing. Which is cool to know information.
Yeah. But guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. We really do appreciate all your support and everything.
Hopefully you like our historic sites that we go to. Leave a comment if you do, and if you want us to do more. Or if you know of any places, let us know as well. Yeah. Keep that discussion going with your fam.
Yes. She's been hanging out with the period people. That's why she said, "Whale."
Whale. Now, the heart of heaven.
When we say like period, they're really good. They got the draw and everything. But anyway, guys, thank you so much. We'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye.